There is a JPG file that you can download on your computer just like any other. Make it your profile image on Twitter and share it on Facebook or Instagram. Even though you and everyone else on the planet can do all these things with this JPG, a promising buyer recently paid $69.3 million to possess this piece of JPG. And you already know its backstory. If that sounds like a highly debatable investment approach to you, and you still have either worked, are working on your first NFT, or are a victim of a bad investment in the NFTs, then this is for you. Let's go back to the potential core promise of branded NFTs. NFTs are compelling, and firms seem to be adopting them rapidly. Read the previous blog about it if you haven't already. Let's see what Coca-Cola is up to. Coca-Cola sells customers a material set of Norman Rockwell prints featuring the drink for $400. But Coca-Cola also recently made $575,883.61 trading 4 NFTs. The NFTs contained a digital animation of a Coca-Cola cooler and an engraved digital jacket that your avatar can wear in a VR medium called Decentraland. The corporation also threw in a physical asset, an in-real-life refrigerator entirely stored with Coca-Cola. For a fridge containing cold soda and some 3D illustrations, Coca-Cola got much more than $500,000 in hard cash. It also earned brand-elevating exposure and reinforced its brand image, providing happiness and cultural relevance. Coca-Cola has used an NFT to make an entirely new dimension of consumers' connection with the brand. Not every firm's NFT will be so prosperous. Many branded NFTs over the next few years will fail as marketers learn how to work with this new form of engagement and understand the community from which it emerged. Some projects have had dubious results so far. A wrestling entertainment company WWE knows how to fill arenas full of roaring fans. However, when WWE launched 500 NFT gold tier packages for $1,000 each, it only sold 37. The minters got an NFT and a limited edition box of commodities personally chosen by wrestler John Cena himself for their money. So concluding and carefully observing all these scenarios, here are a few tips in creating a successful branded NFT. One of the most significant risks your branded NFT may face is that people aren't excited about them. It would help if you created a personal bond with your NFT customers, and flourishing launches should tap into the dynamic community of crypto enthusiasts. Corporations should look at an NFT launch to generate pleasure and delight instead of income. To be successful, create something that your customers can get hyped about. The crypto community may be suspicious of corporate profiteering. Thus, a branded NFT should demilitarize customer apprehension and exhibit good faith to succeed. Other companies have accomplished this by giving their NFT profits away. For instance, Coca-Cola donated its profits to Special Olympics International. Pringles declared that it would give the profits from its CryptoCrisp NFTs to the company's artists. By 2025, NFTs will be a routine part of the corporate marketer's toolkit. You can ensure that your branded NFT project succeeds with these 3 tips. To conclude, work on the proposition that you are offering to your customers. Remember, it should revolve around why of NFTs. Because everything comes with a meaning, and so does the tech world.